let's finish up this high-level overview of what a data engineer does by describing the three main tasks that they do. One is that they build what we call an ETL pipeline, or an extract, transform, load pipeline. So unlike data ingestion, which simply means moving data from one place to another, an ETL pipeline is the idea that a data engineer extracts data that has been generated by all of these systems. They extract that data, and then when they extract that data, they transform the data into a useful form. That is, into a form that can be loaded into a data warehouse. So they extract the data, they transform the data, and they load it into something like a data warehouse so that the data can be used by the rest of the company. And they use programming languages like Python, Go, Scala, and Java to accomplish these ETL jobs, or extract, transform, load. So that's the first task. What's the second one? The second one is building analysis tools. You see, for us to understand how our company systems work, a data engineer needs to make sure that when any part of the system breaks, we are notified. So a data engineer allows data scientists, data analysts, business intelligence people to use tools to analyze the data, but also to make sure that the system that they've put in place is running correctly. Finally, their third main task is obviously to maintain the data warehouse and data lakes. That is, making sure that everything in there is accessible for other parts of the companies to use. So now that we have a high-level overview of what a data engineer does, I want to talk about some of the tools that you have definitely heard of in the industry. Things like Hadoop, Kafka, Apache Spark, all these terms that are really hard to understand. I'm going to try and give you an overview of this landscape so that next time when somebody asks you, hey, should we use Hadoop? Hey, what's Hadoop for? Do we need Kafka? You'll be able to answer that. And after this course, you can go off on your own and actually learn to use these tools if they ever come across in your job. Now, this landscape is fast changing. There's new tools popping up left, right, and center. So my advice to you is that what I'm going to show you over the next couple of videos, you don't take as the absolute must know for all data engineers. Instead, know that they exist. Go and read some of their documentation, some of the information online, but only learn or use them once the need arises. Because they're constantly being updated, and the world of data engineering is really fast-paced right now. But with that said, let's nerd out on data in the next couple of videos.